Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video, I have come up to show you making of peacock booty designing, which you can try it on your stitched blouses or else randomly on plain sarees designing. So without wasting much time, let's quickly start with this designing. Here I'd be using designer ring of circular shape gold color, followed with drop shape of small size green color kundan. I'm also using drop shape frame of gold color. This is to highlight this green color kundan. If you don't have this drop shape frames, you can also try with the Zardosi string. It's a simple stud pattern which we can try it on our old blouses to turn into new designer blouse of peacock designing, which will really gives the traditional rich. Further extending this designing using these drop shape purple color kundans of very small size, applying the glue lines or around of 5 lines here and sticking these purple drop shape kundans on these lines. Now that the glue is completely dried, here I'd be using gold color Zardosi of small size. I cut according to this length that I'll be inserting here in the cotton silk thread with 9 number hemming needle. We have to give an invisible stitches for joining of this Zardosi string. Just insert in the needle and give couple of stitches on these tips, also towards the sides. These are customized patterns. You can adjust the sizes as per your requirement and the availability of these materials. I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Continuing the stitch on this gold color circular frame also, we have to give the stitch like this. Further on this tip, I'd be joining 3 sugar beads. First line with 2 sugar beads and second line locating the center of these sugar beads, inserting one at a time. Now I'm trying to create the beak. For that, here I'd be using gold metallic bead of 1 mm size, also inserting the sugar bead at a time. Both at a time I'd be inserting here like this. And underneath this green color drop shape kundan, here I'd be using 1 mm gold metallic bead with 8 mm pearl with the sugar bead. 3 at a time we have to insert. In this designer ring, I'd be applying the glue to stick the rhinestone. This is how the final lookout would look. The blouse with the overall designing of the peacock work, and I had also highlighted the neckline and the sleeve with gold color pearl designer lace. This is how the final lookout would look with the simple lace work on the neckline and the sleeves and overall designing on the blouse. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, maybe useful to others. Thank you so much for watching. Please meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Men's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.